Okay, so we're gonna look at skills 5. It says, Mrs. Esther used several kinds of ribbons to wrap several gifts at a specialty shop. The links of the ribbons she used are shown in the chart below. Then it wants you to use the data from the chart to make a frequency table and to do a dot plot. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to do the ribbons links. And when we use the data, you always want to put them in order. So start with the smallest value and then move up to the larger value. So the ribbon length, I have 3. So I'm going to put 3. And I need to count to see how many times I have it. I have 1 time, 2 times. So I write it 2 times. The frequency would be 2. Then the next one I have is 3 1/4. So I put 3 1/4. The tally is 1 time, 2 times, so it would be 2. The next one I have would be 4 1/2 because there's no 4. So I'm going to do 4 1/2. 4 1/2 shows up 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. So it would be 4 tallies with a frequency of 4. The next one I have is 4 3/4. 4 3/4. 4 3/4 shows up 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a frequency of 4. And then the last one I have is 5. So 1 time, 2 times, and a frequency of 2. And then the last one I have is 5 1/2. So I put 5 1/2. And that occurs just 1 time. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you got all the numbers. So I'm going to add up all the frequencies. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus another 4 is 8, plus another 4 is 12, plus another 2 is 14, plus 1 more is 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there should be 16. I think I counted wrong. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, I am missing 1. So that's why it's important for you to check. So let's come back and let's look. For 3, I have 1, 2 times. 3 1/4, I have 1, 2, 3. That's where I made my mistake. I have it 3 times. So there's the information now for your frequency table. So now you're going to do the same thing over here with the links of Esther ribbons. This time on the number line, they already give me all the numbers. What you're going to do is I would just use the data from here. So how many times does she have the length of the ribbon of 3 inches? She has it 2 times. So I'm going to draw 2 dots. 1, 2. How many times does she have 3 1/4? She has it 3 times. So I draw 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. How many times does she have 3 1/2? She doesn't have any, so I don't put anything there. 3 3/4. She doesn't have any, so I leave that one blank as well. 4. She doesn't have any, so that one stays blank. 4 1/4. She doesn't have any. 4 1/2. She has 4, so I'm going to draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3/4. She has 4, So I'm going to draw 4 dots again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 2, so 2 dots for 5. 1, 2. 5 1/4 she does not have, but 5 1/2 she has 1. So I should have 16 dots when I'm done. So let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's really important for you to notice that when you do the number line with the dot plot, you have to put all the values in, even the ones that she doesn't have, because it's a number line.